Ever set a goal and felt like it was impossible to achieve? You're not alone. What if you could set goals that actually get you closer to your dreams step by step? Stick around and I'll show you how to turn your big dreams into achievable milestones using the SMART method. Ready to crush your goals? Let's break down how to do it SMART style. Today we're unlocking the secret to setting goals that actually work. So grab your pen and let's get to work. How many times have you set goals and then let them slip away? Well, today that changes. It's time to stop just dreaming and start doing. Learn how to set SMART goals that stick. If you're tired of vague goals and no results, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to SAH RISE and Shine. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to change the way you set your goals forever. If you've ever found yourself setting goals that feel a little vague or impossible to reach, trust me, you're not alone. But today, we're about to flip that script and show you how to set goals that actually work. Yes, I mean it. We're talking about SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This simple yet powerful framework is the game changer you've been waiting for. So, whether you're trying to land that dream job, get fit, or launch that passion project, this video will give you the tools to set goals that'll make your dreams come true. Now let's get right into it. Grab your coffee or your notebook because it's time to get smart. Why SMART goals matter? Alright, let's start with the basics. We all know that setting goals is important, right? But here's the thing. Most of us end up with vague goals that are super easy to forget. You know those I want to get fit or I want to be more successful types of goals? They sound great, but they don't really give us a roadmap, do they? Here's the problem. When your goals are too vague, they can lead to procrastination. You'll think, oh, I'll start tomorrow or I'll figure it out later. But tomorrow never comes, and that big goal just keeps slipping through your fingers. But guess what? There's a solution, and it's called the SMART framework. When you get specific about your goals, you're not just wishing for something, you're creating a clear and actionable plan to achieve it. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Breaking down SMART. Let's break this down step by step so you know exactly how to apply this method to your own goals. First up, 1. Specific S. The S stands for specific. And let's face it, being vague with your goals is like setting yourself up for failure. So get specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, aim for something like, I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months by working out 4 times a week. Do you see the difference? A specific goal gives you a clear target, and with that clarity, you're already way ahead. 2. Measurable M. The M is for measurable. This means you need a way to track your progress. How will you know when you've reached your goal? For example, instead of saying, I want to read more books, go with, I will read 20 books this year. Now you have something you can count, track, and celebrate along the way. 3. Achievable A. A is for achievable. And this one is super important. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting goals that are too big, too fast. We're not trying to overwhelm ourselves here. Make your goals challenging but still realistic. So, instead of saying, I'm going to run a marathon next month, aim for something like, I'm going to run a 5K in 3 months. Achievable goals keep you motivated without burning you out. 4. Relevant R. R stands for relevant. Your goal should align with your values and what really matters to you. If your goal doesn't connect to your bigger purpose or your core values, it can easily lose its meaning. For example, if getting healthier is a priority for you, a goal like, I'll improve my diet and exercise 3 times a week makes perfect sense. But if your goal is to get healthier, but you're focusing all your energy on a career change instead, the relevance of your health goal can get lost. Make sure your goals match what you actually want to achieve in life. 5. Time-bound T. T is for time-bound. Having a deadline for your goal is key to staying focused and motivated. When your goal doesn't have a time frame, it's too easy to push it aside and say, I'll get to it later. But when you set a deadline, you create urgency. For example, I'll lose 10 pounds in 3 months is a goal with a timeline, while I want to lose 10 pounds is open-ended. When setting goals, make sure there's a clear time frame that challenges you to take action now. Actionable strategies. Now that we've broken down SMART, let's talk about how you can use these principles in your everyday life. 1. Analyze existing goals. Take a look at any goals you've already set. Are they SMART? If not, don't worry. You can adjust them. Look for areas where you can make your goals more specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't hesitate to tweak them until they're crystal clear. 2. Create a SMART goal worksheet. Get yourself a goal worksheet. You can make your own or find a template online. Write down your goals and break them down into each SMART component. This will help you organize your thoughts and keep you on track. 3. Share your goals with someone. Accountability is huge when it comes to goals. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or even on social media. When you have someone cheering you on and holding you accountable, you'll be way more likely to succeed. It makes those milestones even more exciting when you've got support. Overcoming obstacles. Life isn't always smooth sailing and obstacles will come up. That's normal, but don't let those roadblocks stop you from reaching your goals. Here's how to overcome them. 1. Address potential roadblocks. It's a good idea to anticipate potential obstacles and have a plan in place. Let's say your goal is to exercise 4 times a week, but you know your work schedule is hectic. Make a backup plan. Maybe you work out on weekends or fit in shorter sessions during the week. 2. Stay flexible. Goals don't always go according to plan, and that's totally fine. If you miss a workout or fall behind, don't be discouraged. Stay flexible. Adjust your timeline or methods, but always keep your eyes on the prize. 3. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate those mini victories. Whether it's sticking to your workout schedule for a week or hitting a small milestone, each win counts. These celebrations will keep you motivated to keep going. Sustaining success. It's not enough to just set goals. You've got to stay on track. Here's how you can sustain your success. 1. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, so your goals should too. Review your goals every few weeks to ensure they're still on track and adjust if necessary. Flexibility is key to long-term success. 2. Track your progress. Use a goal tracker, whether it's an app or a simple journal. Tracking progress helps keep you motivated and gives you a visual reminder that you're closer than you think to achieving your goal. 3. Enjoy the process. Achieving goals isn't just about the end result, it's about the journey. Embrace the process, learn from it, and remember that every step forward is progress. And there you have it, folks. Setting SMART goals is the key to turning your big dreams into tangible, achievable actions. Don't just wish for success, make a plan and go after it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to SAH RISE SHINE, and share this with anyone you think could benefit from it. Drop your SMART goals in the comments. I'm excited to see what you're working towards. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. Follow me on social media for updates, motivation, and more tips. You've got this. Remember, be specific, be measurable, be achievable, be relevant, and be time-bound. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and always rise and shine. What have you learned after watching this video? So here's the big takeaway. SMART goals are the key to setting yourself up for success. By breaking down your goals into specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound steps, you make it way easier to stay focused, track progress, and actually achieve what you set out to do. You also learned that flexibility is important. Life happens and things change, but that doesn't mean you can't keep moving forward. Adjusting your goals, reviewing them regularly, and tracking your progress ensures you stay on course. And let's not forget the power of celebrating those small wins. It keeps you motivated and reminds you that every step counts. So now that you know how to set SMART goals, go ahead and set one right now. Take action, make a plan, and watch those dreams become reality. You've got this. And that's a wrap, folks. Now you know how to set SMART goals that that'll actually work for you. It's time to stop just dreaming and start doing one smart goal at a time. Remember, the clearer and more structured your goals are, the more likely you are to turn them into reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to SAH Rise and Shine, and share this video with your friends who could use a little goal setting magic in their lives. Drop your smart goals in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you're working toward. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media for more tips, motivation, and some behind-the-scenes updates. Keep grinding, keep shining, and keep pushing forward. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and remember, every goal, no matter how small, is a step closer to your dream. Keep rising and keep shining.